Hello everyone. Let's talk about Right to Information Act. Democracy requires an informed citizenry and transparency of information which are vital to its functioning and also to contain corruption and to hold governments and their instrumentalities accountable to the governed. The preamble of the Indian Right to Information Act states that information as a term has been derived from the Latin word formation and former, which means giving shape to something and forming a pattern respectively. Information is needed by human beings to realize their full social, political, and economical potential. It is the key which helps make decisions. It is also public resources collected and stored by government in trust for people. The Right to Information Act 2005 is the central legislation to provide for setting out the particular regime of right to information for citizens. The Right to Information Bill 2005 was passed by the Lok Sabha on May 11, 2005 and by the Rajya Sabha on May 12, 2005 and received the assent of the President of India on June 15, 2005 and came to force on October 12, 2005. It has replaced the Freedom of Information Act 2022. This act is applicable throughout India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This law is very comprehensive and covers almost all matters of governance and has the widest possible reach, being applicable to government at all levels, union, state, and local, as well as recipients of government. The Right to Information Act is in accord with the Article 19 of the Constitution of India, which enables Indians to exercise their fundamental right of speech, expression, and often interpreted by the Supreme Court, the inalienable right to receive and impart information. Currently, the RTI Act in India is passing through a decisive phase. Much more needs to be done to facilitate its growth and development. Objective of the right to information. Good governance has four elements: transparency, accountability, predictability, and participation, and RTI helps in achieving the same. Greater accountability. One of the brilliant features of RTI is that makes public authorities answerable to the general public, which strengthens the participatory democracy. Every public authority is required to provide reason for its administrative and quasi-judicial decision to affected persons. Under Section 4, Clause 1, Subclause D of the Act, and hence the possibility of arbitrariness reduced to the greatest extent. Great transparency. Rights which are provided in various sections of the Act certainly facilitates the greater transparency in work of public authorities. For instance, under Section 2G of the Act, a citizen has the right to inspection of work, documents, record, taking notes, extracts, or certified copies of the documents or record, taking certified samples of materials, obtaining information in electronic form if available. Right to information, a global view. Okay guys, we will continue from here in the next video.